Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This is your boy DEFI again, and today's video we just want to look at DeFi staking platform. This is day number 2. Yesterday it was day number 1. We're just buying some tokens from the auction lobby, and if I'm to click the auction lobby here, we can see that I bought some tokens and they are available to collect. So I'm gonna collect them and I'm gonna stake my tokens. I want to make some Tron here, guys. So this is the number 2, and again the auction is again open. So let me just collect here. I accept. So it should appear in my staking here. So they are here. These are the tokens that I was given. And you guys remember, you should use a link. When you use a referral link, you get a 5% discount. As you can see, you earn an extra 5%. So I'm gonna leave my link in the description of the video. You use it and they'll give you a 5% discount. So let me do some staking here. Let me refresh a bit. I want to be exact. So these are the DSP tokens that I have. So I'm gonna put all of them here, 988, and the days to stake. Let me stake 10 days. So since this is day number 3, it was going to start on day number 3 and it will end on day number 14. So let me stake, connect again with the wallet, and even it says here I've staked 9,828 DSP for 10 days. So it is waiting. So most probably on day number 3, as you can see here, it will start and it will end on day number 13. And these are the shares that I've bought. So everything it will appear here as we go daily. The bonus, the rewards, the dividends, rewards, and the interest, all of them will appear here once it is confirmed. So, and what's the difference between this DeFi staking platform and other platforms? So here 95% of the dividends pool goes to the stakers. As you can see here, every day 95% of the previous day's TRX that was spent in the auction lobby will be pulled and allocated to users based upon their completed stakes. So this is the good thing about this, and you can join their Telegram channel here, also their Twitter channel. And so I'm going to buy some DSP as well today. So my strategy here is to buy every day for the first 10 days. So as the first one is ending, the one I've just bought today, I'll be recycling it. So I just want to accumulate my Tron just like that. So let me enter the auction lobby here. So the DSP pool, it has got this amount of DSP tokens, and each DSP is worth for each Tron we get 2.3 DSP. So this amount goes on decreasing as time goes on. So it's earlier to buy when the auction has just started. So let me enter here. Let me first check my wallet and see what I have there. 4,500. Let me buy 4,500. So 4,500. I accept. So it has been entered into the lobby. As you can see here, I've been given 10,000 DSP. So yeah, so each DSP I've been able to 2.33. So now so tomorrow when this timer ends here, I'll be able to collect these DSP tokens and stack them again. So that's it, guys. So in this platform is different from others because here it separates the active stakes and the ended stakes. So all your ended stakes will appear here and all active stakes will appear here. So that's the difference. So other platforms like T2X, it puts all of them together. So guys, I'm leaving my link in the description of this video. Come buy some tokens, you stack them for some time. Remember, the more days you stack, the more profit that you get in terms of Tron. And so you stack as early as possible and stack for a very long time. So my strategy is to stack for 10 days. Some people stack for 5 days, some people stack for 20 days, and so on. So that's me, guys. Link is in the description of the video. Use it and you'll get a 5% discount. This is my referral link. You earn an extra 5%. So I'll see you in another video tomorrow. When this active stake becomes active, because here it's still waiting, and when also the tokens are bought, they are available for collecting, and I will also restack them again. So see you guys in the next video. For those of you who didn't see my video yesterday, I'm gonna leave the link in the description of the video. You can click on it and see where we started from yesterday. See you guys.